about flooding. See, you saw the way you took Kaswa Road in several times.
Yeah.
And now I'm free Kaswa, then you top around there, say 1-2 p.m. on. I spent almost about 5 hours just after the toll booths before I'm able to do almost like around somewhere around Malam Junction. See, you okay, see, you say perennial. Every year beyond every single year Kogogo June, May, June, July honum. Say and I'm not talking in respect to this particular region, I'm talking about successive government. Say you make a statement to the effect to say, oh, you better make sure say you better deal with this problem. Accra flooding, you better deal with this problem. Every single year we continue to talk about it. Now you see, some of the challenges are you facing as a country. Tell me, American. Sometimes, to be honest and frank with you, sometimes also has to do with the level of accountability or man. Once na me braka so yes man kofo nsi edan wo ha no na no oba akwa akohwe no na kobrane na man nipa permit unsi dan e waterways. That is why some of us, see, to be honest and frank with you, Yeni Supreme Court, even in the High Court, we don't agree with them with respect to what is happening as far as Honorable G.C. Kwesi issue is concerned. No, but I will come to that. No,
Delali.
I will explain to you the reason why. Because you see, it's a state institution.
Yeah.
Emma, what years is here? CJ.
Yes, sir.
Sir, also OBB FM station. So ko NC ana meboa.
Yes.
Equalances.
Yes.
Meboa.
Yes.
Into ko na almost o ma be inspect Adom FM. Mo machine what the materials be are you okay. Mo nje licenses mo start to preach. Now all of a sudden you bet you so uni right say so started say we your friends say we preach as
when indeed NCA has given me a license.
Near the court.
Yeah.
Now court is NCA for the amount farm you have done nothing wrong. But CG and Adom FM management
no. NCA needs to come and answer questions.
Exactly. So you see, that is...
I understand the picture.
So you understand what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, we live in a country where state institution, you have more authority, you have more power. So you say, you make sure, and yes, we see a dime of Hanum because higher waterways, and I'm
yes.
Nipa, before I go Nipa permit, and some require some check account. Into both Jana money planning permit. Now, Oko sit down on waterways. Name so talk. Now, I cry in your flood here. One of the things you see when he said, whilst we are blaming the citizens of building on the waterway, I guess our state institution, Nipa no in charge of that state institution. I see a hall and you see a punishing. See just what I say. And yes, and people will not go and take money from people. No more lines and say, sit down, sit down, sit down. That is what I'm just trying to see. And to all of us, the citizens, I think I quite see it here and say, CG. One will say Accra Hanum. June 2015. Accra, second Hanum.
Yeah.
When would you see one? The
June 3rd, right?
I will explain something to you. May say me as me am catch you and say, what potokasem no, you see pollution, and you localize. But see the effect in your global. Into say you say e be Adom circle. Ofa ade no atu egu circle. Nsuo nim, politics no atu egu nsuo nim. So media mente circle. Nsuo to a circle for nkwa na be affect you. Udu e be akasoa so me dem take aswa kwan no enye de pe I don't care about it. Opa kofa the list of nkofo a June 3rd disaster no mu wo circle. Say how many of them live in circle? That's what they say. Most of them don't live in circle. Banim e bi na mo kra na otu nyoma gu nsuo nim no. Office me mente circle for that matter
so.
But on that day, no, the list of people that died on that day, most of them don't even stay at circle.
Yeah.
Because obi grow at circle no one master how to swim. What do I say?
Yeah.
Obi oti circle.
Yeah.
Or no one say so to this is what it's likely.
But who free? Ebia amasama na beton there or circle, who free tema na beton there or circle.
So you see
what two run we go ho emfa wo kunti.
What's me emfa me?
Sada ni so no ache wa she circle ho.
Enti am catch us say pollution they say is localized, but the effect of that pollution is global.
Yeah.
Into here COVID see here 2019. Yes, so China for na nyo mo ya yo. Omo kasa omo deal with your form. Because China is almost about 15,000 miles away from us. By March 2020, yes, sir, mask. So what I'm saying is, citizens now, Kasano, your responsibility. Your responsibility, sir, baby, I will sit down. The way you let your man run. Because here, imagine say me say me take kaswa and I'm free Cape stay ba and will be yare if free kaswa me relative yare free kaswa no the neighbor no share traffic because in so the toy if it's so on and I'm blocking one of the road. Imagine at that time anything at all could happen to that nipa no yare no. And then yes, Ghana, your health system, your beer, it's me lifting comfort with helicopter. Near your Marco Hospital, no. They say be a minister. They say be a two your friends, Georgian, that time I know you in Pina, Bujumbura, your far helicopter, be lifted, they didn't go because you're a minister. But between me and you, would we ever have that privilege?
I doubt.
It's maybe a year, Juno. And Sika, make I say honorable attacks, you're a minister for work and housing. Do baby also you discuss this amount of money we will deal with your friends Accra flooding issues no can. So baby I do no do pempen so be I think say NADMO should not only become relevant during raining season. And yes tell me you are raining season you training NADMO for June July May June July raining season you training NADMO for how to deal with disaster issues no can. It must be a continuing your friends education. NADMO must be resource. Say, who the dry season in Ukraine? You go fie or make me organize a community your friends education. No more catch your friends Timo phone say, who you wear and who soon so ni. Who you wear who soon so that at the end of the day, no, you make it sure say before rainy season, Bebano. Now the citizen he has been conscientized.
No, but we don't see such proactiveness.
Because NADMO, maybe I will be kind of cratchel. And yes, rainy season. Once all cars or see 1,000 I have.
That's big news.
And the truth is, I understand he will not be able to say certain things because he is the PRO for NADMO. But who be son no person kind of say how have they been resourced? Because and I'm saying from NADMO into maybe be a contingency fire service. This are the banner fin ye be who the ever say ye be say but I think say me de manusi CJ every life matters. Here tamamisa me share Adibia be an international major news on CNN. Your friend young guy be Elian Gonzalez. Nane mame every America.
Yeah.
And nane papa every Cuba. And nane mame kosra ne papa o Cuba no more corner. We say from Cuba call you Florida. It's just like we bet me so we find so now and go to the capside there. CJ, Cy young boy became an international fight between America and Cuba. What is the reason why? Because the people believe that young guy could become the next scientist, biggest scientist in the world, to discover a cure for yari. So what is important? Every life matters. It doesn't matter say ni panic to slam whatever it is no can. The life matters. Inti ese or mine yes be in terms of resourcing your friends, emergency support system to say NADMO. I say make sure you be support. And ufi kaso abasa kwan. I don't know, Saganda, whether we are lacking engineers to be able to fix that problem. Say in so talk, now oh kaswa, unim say ne de make kaswa no. One way now, the incoming can, the outgoing can, one way no be use. And it's so predictable. So what is the problem?
From where I sit, I have information to the fact say SMC contractors. One more. Omo de Celtic gutters, omo do kwan ho, ne ade omo prepare kwan ho. That's as a group of contractors are. Omo yes adwuma no. Aban de omo ka. And aban de omo ka nti omo ntimi nya adwuma. The reason we have all those kaswa kwans we be a ho flood no. Come on, omo de Celtic gutters ni mu ne atimota kwans so spot M ho, but aban de omo ka.
It is your moon treaty what to said to no moon treaty by election project ne. What I say? Omo treaty what to say? Omo can say okay. If you consider say okay, Kaswa issue has also become another by-election. It's treating it just like that, because share nura. What happened on that Kaswa stretch? Now you see, no wonder. CJ, you see, no wonder in our hospital most of the people reporting BP one because you see, Obi close from Accra, no Kaswa because of that 5 hours. So back could do feel. Obi 11. So yes, sorry adopa. Best 4. Answer no abeduma. So. In as much as citizens owe it a response, now citizens have a responsibility. Say, I think say leaders, eventually elected leaders are more cotton on. Now, George, no paying to Casa say resources and back. You've been staffed with resources, canning back. Namudia Yejuma.